Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Nice Lexus, right? Okay, this is a Lexus LX series, right? Yeah. 2010 or 11. It looked like 2020. Oliver. Okay, welcome back to Brooklyn, New York. Okay, now we have a message here. He said check tire pressure. He said check tire pressure system. Okay. The first thing we have to do is let's go back to this car and go into the system here. If I'm gonna go to diagnose, I go by VIN number, auto detect, and then I will diagnose the car. Lexus Asian. Okay. I say okay. Say okay. Now this is the car. I will say okay. I don't know, in other countries this is Toyota Radar Cruise LX570 North America 2010. I don't know if the same thing is a Land Cruiser. It could be for other countries. Okay, I'll say yes, and let's go to a diagnosis. I just want to check one thing: the BCM or the tire pressure monitor module, and then from there we take it to the next level. What we need to do is that the sensor is bad. This Autel Maxi, I believe Ms906 TS. TS means it have a tire pressure monitor functionality, and the sensor could be around this area or this area here. You have to put it in this corner here, this place. It will trigger it out. It will trigger the system. So let's go. You can do a diagnosis also, but let's establish the communication. It may take some time, but be patient. The car is running. Voltage is 13.9. That's good. Tire pressure monitor system. There is a lot of tools there. It is working with the frequency, telling the customer if there is too much air in the system or less, and it's good for the safety. So I'm gonna go to diagnose, control unit, click on control unit. Come. Okay, now let me see where is that piece. Tire pressure monitor is one piece here. It's a ECU monitor tire pressure. Okay, we need that. Okay, trouble code. Transmitter ID 5 not recognized main. Already give us one thing. He said transmitter ID number 5 or ID 5 not recognized. So I'm gonna escape here to go into the depth. Let me go to live functions. Okay, look here. He give me register ID code 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. The numbers are here. Okay, am I gonna be able to read them? Okay, all this tire 35, 34, 36, 35, but he say ID tire 5 inflation pressure not available, PSI not available. He even give me temperature in all, but in the ID 5, I don't know which one that ID 5 is. He say that is -40, which is not there. The PSI, he give me all the information on it, but when I try to read it, it doesn't want to read, and I don't know why. Okay, initial short low pressure over 20, 23, 23. Okay, ID number 4, temperature 60, 55. Tire ID 5 inflation is not available. All the others, I see information, everything will look there. So why I'm not able to see anything? Okay, let me see the switch it main. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Special function. I want to see what I have.
Good.
Let me see what I can do. Signal check, ID registration. So let me go to signal check. This function is used to detect each sensor information. So I'm gonna say okay. So it's gonna open for me. This function will set DTC for the system that is selected. DTC will erase if the normal operation. Okay. All signal. Next. Some vehicle need to run engine to be successful. Call engine is running. Okay. During the signal check, ECU will go into check mode and make DTC easier to set. Okay. Let me go to next. I don't know what is the requirement here, but I'm gonna use a different way. Okay, let me see what it's gonna say. Okay, transmit ID 1 not received for test diagnose. Transmit ID 2 not received, not received, not received. Okay, let's go escape this one. Let me clear all the DTC. Let me see if I can. Okay, use this function in case of exchange. The tire pressure monitor receive say assembly. I'm gonna escape this one. I don't change anything. I'm just gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna go back to test them by the tire pressure monitor assembly itself. Tire pressure, the same car. Do I have it in history? Yes. Lexus, this one. Those are the code that you remember when I did it. You see, like, they're giving me some of them are okay, some of them are not. You remember before when we did it? So I'm gonna say okay. This is what I have it before. I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, right.
Yes, I'm gonna exit.
Yo. Yo.
Okay. Okay. Let me check them again, okay?
Okay, all right.
I'm gonna hold it like this and come here and trick the Ferris wheel. Trick it. You see, I'm gonna trick it now. That one is good. Left front is okay. So I'm gonna trick the next one. I know two of them are not working, but hopefully it's gonna work now. Okay. Now I'm going to do this. Okay, I don't believe so. Let me trigger it again. It's good. So let me try it one more. Okay, trigger it. It's good. Okay. 35, 32, 35, 32. Okay, this one is good. I'm gonna write it again. I'm gonna read it again. Put it the same way. reading it now. I cannot get it again, so I gotta do it one more. No good. Gonna do like this one more. The computer say ID 5, so it's true. All of them communicating only one. And that is true that the only one is not reading. Yeah. You remember it say ID 5 is not receiving signal?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I go there I read again. Each one I tried. This one he pick up the first time. This one he pick it up the second time, the first time. This one he pick up the first time. No, this one I tried 2 times. The first time failed, the second time he pick up the ID and numbers. But this one it fell.
But see the light gone now?
Yeah, I clear. Yeah, but it's still there.
It there?
Yeah, tire pressure. You have all the PCI.
No, but the thing not gone.
I delete the code, but he may come back again if he drive it and he check and this one fail. Yeah, start by only one. The left rear one.
Yeah, it always the left rear always get problem.
So maybe that sensor the body.
Yeah. So you're gonna put this one.
Only when it want to hear it, you so come on, as me put here in there go.
Yeah, and now it doesn't even say signal now.
It doesn't have a signal.
Yeah, change this one here and let them relearn it for you and you're good to go. That's the only thing I see now.
When they used to do it, when me, I don't know if them do it still around there still because Roger used to think that for me.
Even if you go to the corner there, by
Roger used to do it.
Yeah, anyone that can do it is it. Yeah. So please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. And welcome back to Mr. Oliver, the mechanic. He retired, he just come from here. He is. And you see this guy, catch him and let him fix your car. Catch him, let him fix your car. Thank you. Okay.